From January the 22nd to the 30th, the Week of Prayer for Christian Unity returns to the Holy Land after stopping in 2021 due to the pandemic.
It's at the same time an expression of the fraternal relations that already exist and a help, an instrument in promoting more fraternal and friendly relations among the heads of churches.
In the past year, there have been encouraging events for the ecumenical journey in the Holy Land, starting with the Pope's trip to Cyprus and Greece, with fraternal meetings with Orthodox patriarchs and bishops. Even the synodal path, initiated at the local level, can show the face, perhaps less known but more real, of ecumenism.
It is a fact that there are more links among the faithful than among the priests, and that the faithful here in the Holy Land, in certain sense, go ahead in the ecumenical relations, feeling that they belong to one community. I think we can learn something from this belonging together of our faithful.
The guidelines for ecumenical pastoral care, recently published by the Catholic bishops of the Holy Land, point in this direction.
For the first time, we have a common document by the local church on how do we intend to live with that reality of our faithful crossing over from one confession to the other.
This is the case in mixed marriages, where the practice is for the wife to adhere to her husband's church, but also in the administration of the sacraments.
And there again, the principles are, we should always encourage people to take part in the sacramental life of their own church, but at the same time, if they come to us out of a spiritual need, we cannot refuse them. But we respect their belonging and their church membership.
The Church of Jerusalem, which brings together all religious traditions, has a prophetic task for the whole Church on the path towards Christian unity.
If we can do something to overcome these divisions here, it may have a significance for the worldwide Church too, and that is part of the vocation of the Church of Jerusalem, I think.